Okay, David can't talk because he's got his earbud things in and whatever. Anyway, we're repainting the front deck. We'd stained it a darker brown, and we just really weren't happy with it. It was showing every water spot and just every footstep, whatever, I don't know, it just didn't turn out like we thought, so we were really disappointed. So now we've switched to, this is an anti-slip paint that we got from Lowe's, and we're going over it with this. So you can see the yellow, it's like a yellow, it's called a harvest something like that. Down here the risers are going to still be, we're going to paint those dark green, the green of the house. All this will stay the same, and on the side here, that's going to be green too. It'll just kind of continue that. And yeah, so it kind of picks up the color of the door a little bit, but we think we're going to be much happier. So when we finished it all, we primed everything yesterday and then painted the railings and everything. That's all white. We're still not sure about what we're going to do with those, as far as the finials being green, leaving them white, maybe yellow, we don't know. But yeah, so anyway, so that's what we've done so far. It's kind of a work in progress. So once we get it all finished, we'll come back, we'll do one more video.